So today we are doing an Ikea haul. I was very successful yesterday at Ikea. Successful at buying things I don't need as always. So let me show you what I got. First up, we have this guy. This is a dustbin. I actually wanted to get a bunch of these for the toilets in this house because we don't have a lot of dustbins in the toilets. So I wanted a small size, which I thought this would be perfect for. And oh my god, this is going to be very satisfying. Are you ready? Oops, that failed very bad. But you know what I mean, right? Like pulling this plastic off things that have not been used is like the best feeling ever. Okay, I will stop that now. I will do this later in peace. So yeah, just got like a little push pedal bin. I like that this has the little bucket that comes out and you can throw your trash and then this can just stay as is. And yeah, I really wanted to get a black one because I felt like this color was going to get dirty. But unfortunately, this was the only color they had in stock and I thought it was like decent, so got this for the bathroom. I only bought one because I wanted to like test it and see how it works and then I will get more. Up next we have this guy. Not with all the stuff in it because you're going to see the stuff in it. This is the Samla box. Okay, so this is, I'll put the size down, I don't know which size, but I specifically actually bought this. I have these, you've seen them in the past, for my Christmas tree decorations. Okay, honest confession, my Christmas tree is still up. This was actually one of the reasons I went to Ikea because I was like, I need a new Samla box for the Christmas tree decorations. All my other boxes have already got stuff we've used for storage and stuff when I've decluttered and stuff like that. And I wanted to get a box just for my ornaments because I have a lot of breakable ornaments and stuff like that. I want to put them in one place because the cardboard boxes tend to get fungus every year and then it's really icky when you open them. So this guy is to store all my Christmas stuff, which I can finally do now. And I really like the size of these boxes, you know, because I feel like they're a good, nice, big size and you can fit a like shit ton of stuff inside. You can see all my shopping from Ikea except for the like dustbin is in here. Like that's how huge it is. And that's why I'm kind of showing it to you with that in mind so you can see. The lid is separate. You have to buy the lid separately and you get the box like this. But you can see how much stuff is in here, right? Like look at that. And it's not even like full, you know what I mean? So I have a bunch of them and I've been using them for years and nothing has happened to them. They haven't broken, none of that. So definitely love these. Up next, we have something I bought for Scary Chef Sherry. This is a little chopping board, guys. So we have a big chopping board, a wooden chopping board, but I just felt like, you know, when you want to cut that one onion or one like tiny piece of garlic or whatever, and you don't want to have like a full-on big chopping board to wash, we end up doing it in a plate or a thali or whatever. And I thought this was really nice for that. So yeah, I will be using it occasionally. I'm pretty sure my cook will use it more than me. But it's just a really beautiful looking chopping board, right? Like, so you're obviously paying for the aesthetic and how nice this looks. Let me open it and show you. You can see it's just really pretty, nice, wooden, smooth. It could also be a nice platter, like if you want to use it as a cheese platter, you know what I mean? Like put different cheeses on it. Could be pretty like that as well. So yeah, got this. Up next, we have these beauties. They're not drumsticks, they're spoons. I've been using these for a few years. These are the non-stick spoons that they have, and honestly, they work really well on non-stick stuff or in your woks and all of that. I have 3 of these here and they're pretty worn out, so I thought I'd get 2 more just, you know, because you can always like use more spoons in the house. Prices of these I can't see, but you can see them because we put them in. But yeah, got this. So you remember in the beginning of the video I said I bought a lot of stuff that I don't need? This is what I got. So this is a random grater, okay, like it's locked right now. I'm gonna have to break the seal to show it to you guys, but I thought this would be good for Scary Chef Sherry. Hear me out, hear me out. I thought, like, you know, when you want to grate some garlic and ginger and stuff and you want that really fine grater, I've seen this in a lot of people's like videos and I really wanted to get it, so I thought I should get it. And now I better be making a lot of Scary Chef videos because I brought 3 things in the name of Scary Chef Sherry already, okay? So yeah, I just thought this was really like cute, and it has a cover which is really nice because I feel like often graters get dirty. This way you can also store it, and look at me justifying this little grater. Well, bought this, guys. Oven mitts. Again, these are not for Scary Chef Sherry, okay? These are just for the microwave. We used to have oven mitts, and I think when I did like the kitchen declutter, they were quite dirty and stained, and I threw them out. So I felt like, oh god, we're constantly using kapda and all to remove things from the microwave. So I saw these, I thought, let's just get a nice dark blue because they don't really get dirty that easily, and yeah, that's why we have these. This is something that has been on my list for a while, okay? Let me explain. And I hope this really works the way I've seen it work for people, because otherwise I will be very disappointed. I meant to buy 3 of these. I only bought 2 because I was like, let's test it. If it works, we'll order a 3rd. What this is it's a shelf in a shelf, if you know what I mean, for your wine glasses or for your like your kitchen rolls, your tissue rolls. Basically, you take this is for your shelf, and it slides into your shelf like that, and then you slide your wine glasses into this. So basically, if you have like a tall shelf, I'm imagining it as your wine glasses on top and your maybe smaller glasses at the bottom, saves a lot of space. We do have a whole glass, like a glasses cabinet here, because my grandfather was a big collector of glasses, and we have like every kind of glass there is, like for shots, for whiskey, for brandy, for champagne, for wine, and we're always running out of space in that, you know, cabinet. Not that we buy more glasses, but there are just so many. So I thought this would be really nice, and maybe I can divide the shelf into half and half if it works. Even though it's pricey, it's worth it because it's something that's going to like give me so much more space, right? The other thing people do is they use it as like for their kitchen roll as well. Like you can remove this and apparently put your roll in like your kitchen roll and have it hang so that you can take out your tissue paper or whatever from under your shelf or your cabinet or whatever. I'm not using it for that. I have strictly bought it for my wine glasses. Unnecessary purchase number, I don't know, I've lost count. Tea towels. You guys have seen that I use a lot of Ikea tea towels. They're really nice. And I really like their prints. They also last long and they're affordable. So if you see 3 something for 4 towels, not just 3. Yay, guys, I dropped one also. There's this one which is like a polka dotted kind of vibe. This one has bartans on it. Then we have fork and spoon, which is really cool. And this is just a regular like check. So they have really nice tea towels for your kitchen, and 4 for the price is pretty amazing. I think I use these a lot even in our other house. We only use these also because they have this hanging thing, like it comes with a hook option, which is really nice because you can hang it really easily in your kitchen. So these actually are not a useless purchase. This is actually a very good purchase. I've changed my mind. Up next we have chum 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 chum. That's me fake cleaning a window, which I will not be doing. But I got this. This is again useless purchase number whatever. Actually, it's not useless. I use it for the kitchen. Okay, so we use it just to clean the kitchen counter and like push all the water into the drain after like at the end of the day, or if something spills. It's really handy for that. It's also really handy if you have glass windows and stuff like that. We don't have glass windows, which is why I said I don't do that, and I won't be doing it because I don't have any glass windows to clean with this. But yeah, it is very effective and it's not very expensive. So I like the look of it also. I feel like you get a lot of these online also randomly on like obviously your Big Basket and Amazon and whatever. But I just feel like the Scotch-Brite ones and all are really ugly, like green or pink, or you know what I mean, like they're not like black or white or understated and like clean classic looking like this, which I feel like this looks. So I don't mind staring at it every day at my sink, if you know what I mean, like, and you'll understand why I'm talking about this even with the next purchase. Let me explain. This next guy is a toilet brush, okay? I know what you're thinking, really, Sherry, you bought a toilet cleaning brush from Ikea and that's what you're telling us in this haul. There's a reason why, okay? So in this house, we've always used like Scotch-Brite, which is like this jhatak green color, okay? Which every time I see at the corner of my bathroom, it's like sticking out like a sore thumb, and I'm like, okay, why? In Worli, in our house, we actually got these and I was like, oh yeah, let's try and see, because we have a grey bathroom and it looks really nice because you don't see the brush at all. All you see is this white little tumbler. It is just so much nicer to look at. Wait, let me show you. Quality of the brush is nothing spectacular, I'll be honest. It's just the regular toilet brush. There's no like, oh my god, wow, this is like an earth-shattering brush. It comes with this handle to screw it on to make it like longer, obviously. And basically what happens when you screw it on, the brush is just a white classic brush. This is the container. So you can put the brush in, and then there's a hole in the... Oh no, sorry. So you put this through, and then you have a weapon. So this is basically what it looks like, okay? So in the corner of your toilet, this is what you see, which is very aesthetically pleasing and beautiful. And when you want to use it, ta-da! Saaf karo and store karo. Up next, we have a little soap dish. Okay, so this is for Mars. Yes, Mars has a whole like spa routine. He has a mask that goes on first and then a soap to wash everything off. But I felt like his soap, you know, we keep putting it in different places and then it gets gallowed. So I bought my child a soap dish for his soap. Then we have these. So these are chutter, like smaller versions of the Samla. I actually got these also for my Christmas decorations only, because I feel like a lot of them are one type. Like, you know, I have many of those same kind of balls or whatever which I want to store together, because when you just dump them into the box, they all get mixed. So I thought the similar kinds I can put in this. These were not very expensive, so I thought might as well get them, and I got 3 of these. I was going to get more, but I stopped myself and got 3. Okay, up next we have this beauty. Now this is a soap dispenser. I had the earlier version of this with the rib bit, which I still have. We haven't broken it yet, but it's in one of the bathrooms. So I thought this would be nice for the other bathroom. And what I like about it is this big, thick, you know, like I feel like with the smaller knobs, when you're doing that thing, you end up like sometimes your hand slips and that's how the bottle breaks and whatever. With this, it's more solid because it's a bigger pump. This is just me justifying this purchase to you guys, as I've just realized. I'm like, why am I explaining a soap dispenser so much? But yeah, we got this, and along with this, I got 2 other things to match this. So this is the glass. There's this whole set, right? You get the glass, you get the soap dispenser, and I think there was one more thing. I didn't buy the 3rd thing. Now this is for your toothbrush and all of that. Okay, why did I buy 2? Why did I buy 2? Let me explain. So I also use my razors, right? Like I have a separate body razor, a separate face razor. And usually I like to also put my razors into the cup. So it's my razors and my toothbrush and my tongue cleaner in the same cup, which usually bothers me because I'm just like, I don't know how hygienic that is, or, you know, like I try to make them face different directions. But I didn't like it particularly, but then I never had the same cup, you know what I mean? Then it's like too many cups. So I got 2 of the same kind to match my soap dispenser for the bathroom, for my tongue cleaner and toothbrush and my razors. The dabba is khali, guys. It's done. That's all the stuff I bought from Ikea. A lot of it I know is like unnecessary, as I said, but that's Ikea for you. You have to go in and buy shit you don't need. Like, that's what happens every time, right? Like, that's why you go there. You go there with that mindset of like, what am I going to buy today that I don't need? At least I do, for sure. And I have to go alone. So yesterday I went alone, which was really like the best thing. Because when you're with people usually are like, nah, you don't need that. Stop it. When you're alone, there's nobody to stop you. So those are all the things I got from Ikea this time. Comment below and tell me which was your favorite purchase from everything I got. Mine, I think, was the soap dispenser. See you guys. Bye.